So I'll ask the questions from here, and then you can just look at Trevor for comfort. Trevor's your,
Oh yeah, that's
Trevor's your
comforting.
lifeline.
That's comforting.
Yeah, man, that's awesome.
Too much history there for that.
No comfort. Yeah.
I'm Vincent Cowenberg from Tulip Farm. We're located in Pugwash, Nova Scotia. We're milking 64 cows right now. Our first parlour was an Olympic herringbone double six swing parlour. So it had 6 milkers, you just swung from one side to the other, but there was no recording aspect to it. So it was all done on paper. We'd have to write down each cow every milking. Our original plan was to do a parlour upgrade. We had a very basic parlour. When we got looking at the numbers and kind of the advances in information we could get through robotics, we decided that it would be feasible for us to kind of make one big jump instead of 2 smaller leaps. We put the robots in, they showed up here and took us about half a day to place the robots, which was a nice feature of these robots given that the box contains everything you need to run them. So the entire unit is put in one go. So this upgrade's kind of brought our farm from Stone Age to Space Age in about 3 days.